Watch this video and learn how to draw Mickey Mouse. Later in the show, Betty and Artie have a dance break. And watch to the end to see Artie and a doggy in a cartoon. Are you ready, Artie? Are you ready, little artists? Come on, gang, it's Artie's show.
Come on, kids, let's run, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk, or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes, and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie!
Hello, little artists. Yeah. I'm Artie, and this is the Artie Show. Yeah.
Well, that was a nice intro, Artie.
Yeah.
Are you ready to make some art?
Yeah.
Let's do a drawing.
Okay. Woo, this is gonna be fun. Yeah.
Good day, Artie.
Hey there, Artie.
Are you ready to create some art?
I'm ready.
Do you know what you're going to draw today, Artie?
No, what are we gonna draw?
Why don't we draw Mickey Mouse?
Wow.
That'll be fun.
Wow. Yeah. Okay, let's start. Yay.
Let's start by drawing Mickey's left eye. We'll do it right in the middle of the page, a nice tall oval shape. That's it. Now let's draw a smaller oval shape inside towards the bottom. And let's shade that in black. Oh, great work, Artie. Now let's do the right eye. Did you know, Artie, when Mickey first started, he used to be called Mortimer, and then he changed his name, of course, to Mickey.
Oh. Wow.
Maybe we should change your name to Arthur.
No. Artie.
Okay, we'll stick with Artie. Great start, Artie. Now, let's draw Mickey's nose. Mickey has a big oval-shaped nose. That's it. And let's shade it in completely black. If Artie's drawing too quick, here's a message from Bunny Fluffington.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away, and when you're caught up, you can just press play. That was so much fun!
Thanks, Bunny. Okay, Artie, let's give Mickey a big smiling mouth shape, and then do the little smile lines on the ends. That's it. Let's draw a J shape coming from the bottom up to the right side, and then a back to front J shape on the left, and now Mickey's mouth is open. Oh, here's Barry.
Hi, Artie. Whoa, your art is like a beautiful melody. A little like this. Zoop-a-doo, zoop-doop-doo, zoop-a-doop-a-doop-doop-doo. Yeah.
Oh, Barry, you've started all the neighbourhood dogs barking now. Ugh. Now, Artie, let's draw a little heart shape inside Mickey's mouth, and then the area above, let's shade that in black. And now Mickey has a cute little tongue. You have to be patient when you're shading in. You don't want to go over the lines. Take your time. That's it, Artie.
Oh,
Yes?
could we,
What is it, Artie?
could we have a dance break, please?
You want a dance break? Okay.
Yay!
I don't want to be judgy, but I am a judge, so it's a 10.
exercise.
Yay! That was a really fun dance break.
You and Betty were fantastic.
Yeah, Artie tired. Ooh. Phew.
Let's finish the drawing, then you can have a nap.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now we're going to draw a large heart shape all the way around and above Mickey's eyes. That's it, Artie. Then curve into the centre. And now do the same shape on the right side. And now we've made a nice heart shape. Keep watching, because coming up, Artie's in a cartoon with a little doggy. Let's draw Mickey's left cheek, a nice big C shape. And then on the right side, another one. That's it. And a V-shaped chin.
Hi, Artie.
Hi, Bunny.
Wow, that drawing makes me hop with joy.
Oh, I'm very happy.
It's excellent.
Excellent.
Hop to it.
Bye.
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 Let's join up from the ends of the V to the cheeks. And now Mickey has a complete face.
Oh, could I have a cartoon break, please?
Of course you can.
Thank you.
Artie, let's go and find some things that are coloured black.
Yay! Artie loves black. Oh, it's a black doggy. It's a shiny black car. Black lamppost. Artie find lots of black things.
Well done, Artie.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Cartoon break, cartoon break. We had a cartoon break.
You enjoyed that?
Yeah.
Let's get back to work.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Now we're going to add 3 curved lines around Mickey's head. First on the left. That's it. And then you must leave a space. Then the top one. Leave another space. And then the right one.
This is looking good.
Yes, it is.
Now where we left those gaps, we're going to draw Mickey's famous ears. 2 very big oval shapes. One on the left. And of course, one on the right. Oh yes, now it really looks like Mickey Mouse.
It's finished.
It looks really good, Artie.
Yeah.
So good.
Can I colour it in now, please?
Well, of course you can.
Okay.
Color it in. Color it in.
Finished.
Great work, Artie.
Yeah.
It came out really good.
Oh, came out so good.
Are you happy with it?
Artie's very, very happy.
We hope you enjoyed today's show.
And we hope you come back and see us tomorrow. Have a great day, little artists.
Bye.
Oh, yeah. Well, thank you for watching, little artists. I hope you have an arty day. Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye.